Hello, hi everyone. I am Ravi Yadav. Today I am going to talk about it very important things because I know and I heard and I read some people's biography as well as I some means I meet some means individually persons. People's have a lots of negative thoughts. People's have a lots of doubt about our journey, about our work, about our all kind thinking. So I think it is a very bad things because people's they want to become a something in our life. So it is a good things, but people's they have a lots of doubt. People's they have a lots of negative thoughts. So how to get a satisfaction? Because people's they have a good positive thought. People's have a satisfaction, and after that they started work anything 100% this type people they get a success one day 100%. But people have a no lots of negative thoughts. People have a lots of doubt, like a people they have a no satisfaction, like a spiritual satisfaction. So how to like they can do any work? It is not possible because people have a like a calm, composed, relaxed mind, and after that this type peoples they can do anything. And against some peoples as well as some students they get lot of stress, like they have a lots of negative thought. So they started some work 100% they never do not proper work because whenever suppose you thinking you have a lots of negative thought. So how to possible? Because whenever mostly time I'm think about it, I have no idea, my health is not good, I have no idea this type thinking. So how to possible? Means mostly time you have a negative thought. So never you get never you do not found positive thoughts like a good idea. So how to possible? Whenever you will get chance 100%, but 100% I will guarantee this type peoples never do not proper work because mostly time I have a negative thoughts, I have a negative energy. So this is a very bad thing. So here I would like mention, please firstly you should you change your behavior, because mostly time people they think about it, I want to become a something. So always time they think about it our destiny. Okay, so I think it is also good things, but here I would like mention very good things. Because for example some peoples they are doing very good work for preparation any competition exam preparation. Okay, so mostly time students they think about it, yeah, whenever I will get success, I will get a job, and after that I will get satisfaction. So it is not possible. Okay, because everybody they think about it this time. So it is a very bad things because you think about it. For example, if you want to become a IAS, IPS, and if you want to become a businessman, so firstly you need you take a time and patience. So how to journey? How? Because it is also very important things, because it your goal is a mission, your goal is a big. So it is like a firstly you should develop patience, you take a time, and after that one day 100% you will get success. But need because anybody they think about it how to live full present time, and how to use proper present time. It is a very good things, not think about it, not regret our past time, and not think about it mostly time future, because it is a very different type things. Only you think about it past, you think about it only present, how to use proper present. Because if you use proper our present 100%, your future will be secure, because it is a common thing. So firstly you don't regret any past incidents, doesn't matter any because it is means part of life. Each every person's they made mistakes, so doesn't matter again and again this type thinking coming in mind. And second thing, you don't think about our destiny, you think about it how to make a happy my journey. Because whenever people they have a this type thinking 100%, they never get like a different type. Because it is a very common thing, because people have a good energy, people have a like a happiness 100%, they can do anything properly. So it is a very common thing, because I am also met lots of 100 students and they told about, yeah, I have a no satisfaction, I have no patience. So how to possible? So here I would like mention only one thing, please don't think about it our destiny 100%, you use proper our present 100%, your future 100% secure. So it is here need need, firstly you think about it, or your journey is a very important, not think about it means our destiny. Okay, so it is a very important thing. So you only means think about it, our journey. 100% one day you will get success according to your goal. Thank you, bye.